Hi, I'm Don, and this is the Hobbyist Geek. Welcome back, y'all. Today we are going to be finishing off issue 32 with stage, what is this, 122? Yep, 122. Not a lot of parts in this one. Hopefully this will be easy. After stage 121, I have a feeling that anything they throw at us is going to be pretty easy. But let's go ahead and take a look at the parts and see what we got. All right, for parts, we don't have much here. We have the left front kick plate, left rear kick plate, right front and right rear. The rear kick plates are the longer kick plates, and they're easier to identify because the left one, the one that goes on the driver's side, it's got this little cutout here. On the front kick plates, you have to look at the screw hole orientation across the top to identify them. But all in all, fairly simple and a whole mess of screws. All right, to kick things off, each of them has this perforated edge here, and you got to bend this down 90 degrees. So apparently this is becoming a metal earth product. This is very soft metal. Holy crap. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Look at that. That looks like crap now. All right. I'm gonna try something different when it comes to the others. We'll see if doing this a different way works any better, but this is the left front, so we'll get started on this. All right, the idea is when you throw them in, and this is gonna apply to all four of these kick plates. When you put them in, there are 3 screws along the vertical edge and 3 screws along the horizontal edge. The vertical edge, sorry about that, bumping things. Vertical edge gets AM screws, horizontal edge gets RP screws. Those RP screws are going to be a pain, and I think the AM screw closest to the door hinge is also going to be fairly difficult. But let's go ahead and get this puppy in there. All right, one done, and sure enough, the screw right here closest to the hinge, absolutely pain in the butt level, difficult to get it done, but it's in, and it actually looks pretty good this way. All right, let's move on. All right, for this kick plate, I'm gonna try my other method. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm going to screw the front end in here like this. Just slide that thing in, get it screwed in, and then I'm gonna try and push it over and hope that this lip here will allow it to bend smoothly and without all of the issues we ran into using tweezers. So let's give it a shot. Okay, well, it's in. Now let's see how lucky I get. This is, there you go. See how lucky I get on this fold. Okay, sadly, pretty much the same result here. Just kind of wavy on the thin edge here. I don't know. Unless you have a ruler or something, I'm not sure how to do this, but let's go ahead and get these RP screws in from the top, and then we'll flip the car around and do the other side. All right, there it is. Kick plate number 2 installed. All right, let's get this car flipped around. Okay, we're gonna go bird's eye view here for the final 2 pieces. And like I said before, they're put in exactly the same as on the other side. AM screws on the bottom, on the vertical portion, RP screws on the horizontal portion. And there they are. Kick plates fully installed, all 4 of them, and looking great. And that is the end of issue 32. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Have a great day.